Celine Smooth Leather. So this is in red color. Yan, kitang-kita yung kanyang Celine logo. Meron lang siyang pen mark. Ayan yung pen mark niya ha. Pen mark yan. So this is the front. Tapos may parang maliit na watermark doon. Front of the bag. Kasya naman ang Pro, iPhone Pro. Pro Max hindi kasya. So this is the side. Tapos yung likod, meron na namang dirt doon. And then other side, bottom, corners maganda. Siya. Maganda. Tapos yung kanyang strap, it's adjustable, pero may mga signs of use na ha. Yan. So, gold hardware siya. And then yung loob, yan. Loob ng bag. Okay, kasya naman ang iPhone Pro. Yan siya. Okay, so for when worn, Celine, yan, cute lang siya. Selling low lang to. Adjustable pa yan. So, pwede pa yan i-crossbody.